Alright, hi guys, my name is Melody, and this is going to be my first video, and it's going to be an eyebrow tutorial. So let's get started. I first just start by using a spoolie to just brush the hairs. I hope you can see with this lighting, it's a little crazy. I just brush them, and for my eyebrows I use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil, so you can see it. It might be, let me turn around. And this is in the color medium brown. And it also has a spoolie on here, but I barely use it. So I take the brow pencil side and just twist it up. And let me see if I can zoom in. So, alright. So I just take it and I begin to line my brows. I start by tracing them out first. Like that. Take your time. It took me a while to do my brows properly. I'm just now getting the hang of it. And then I go underneath and I trace as well. And then I just start to fill in. And don't worry if it's a little messed up, because that's what the concealer is for. So that's one brow done. And it's way easier to use this eye pencil rather than, you know, the pomade and stuff. It's kind of a quicker way. And next brow, just trace the shape of your brow. Top first. And then bottom. And then just start to fill in. And I also I don't like my eyebrows like too filled in. I like them to look a little natural, so alright, eyebrows done. Come a little closer so you guys can see it. And now I'm just gonna go in with some concealer, and I use the LA Pro Girl concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey. And then I'll just go in with an angled liner brush, you know, to get a more precise line. Just squeeze a little out. It's definitely time for me to get some more. Just put a little and just begin to trace. And I'll just bring the concealer down a little. Do the top the same way. One brow complete. And on to the next. This is always the eyebrow that I mess up on. I don't know why. Do the top. Maybe because right-handed, so when I line this brow, you see how my hand is kind of over it. It's kind of hard to see, so maybe that's why I mess up. This video, I wish I had better lighting, but this is what they look like without me blending in the concealer. All right, so that is that. And I just take a little ooh, that's dirty. I just take a little little eyeshadow brush and just blend it in to get rid of those harsh lines. Sometimes if I'm in a rush and I feel like I don't need to blend out, to like line it with concealer, I don't. Especially since I'm in school and I have morning classes, so I really don't have time to do that all the time. Just getting rid of any harsh lines. And I know my eyebrows never look the same, so I'm not really worried about that. They look good from a distance, so that's all that matters. And I just take the spoolie again and brush the top and all the way through to make sure that it's blended nice. Because like I said, I like my eyebrows more natural, so that's why. Alright, so that is it. That is my eyebrow tutorial. I will link all the products down in the description box that I used. And also, I have very textured skin, so it's kind of hard for me to line it with concealer and for my eyebrows to look nice because my skin is very textured. But I still do it anyway, especially when I have a full face of makeup on. So, let me do a close-up. You can see how textured my skin is. But yeah, those are my eyebrows. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully, as I do more YouTube videos, I get better lighting, because I'm in my bathroom right now, so the lighting is kind of I know you probably could barely see it, but this is a close-up of my eyebrows. I think they look nice. It's definitely going to take some time getting used to, but yeah, so that was my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.